Welcome to the English Matura with JB podcast. Imagine discovering something in space that's been traveling longer than Earth has existed. That's exactly what happened when astronomers spotted an object moving at 130,000 miles per hour through our solar system.
And not just moving fast, but behaving in ways that defy everything we know about celestial objects. What exactly are we looking at here?
Well, it all started on July 1st, 2025, when this astronomer Edward was doing his routine night shift in Chile. He's checking asteroid alerts, probably fighting sleep with his third coffee, when suddenly he sees numbers that shouldn't be possible.
Hmm. The eccentricity reading of over 6, which basically means this thing isn't from around here at all.
Right. And here's where it gets really interesting. When they traced its path back, they realized this object is potentially 10 billion years old. That's older than most of the stars in our galaxy.
The Hubble observations were pretty mind blowing too. That teardrop of ancient dust trailing behind it. We're literally looking at particles that might have existed since the beginning of time.
And then the James Webb Telescope reveals something even stranger. It's mainly releasing carbon dioxide rather than water vapor. You know what that means? This thing has never been near a star before, ever.
Hmm. But what really catches my attention is how it's not following basic physics. I mean, it's releasing massive amounts of gas, but somehow maintaining a perfect trajectory.
Exactly. That's what got Harvard professor Avi Loeb so interested. He's suggesting, and remember, this is coming from one of the most respected astronomers in the world, that we might be looking at something artificial.
Well, that would explain the weird radio signals they detected. That sequence of prime numbers. That's not exactly something that happens naturally in space.
And let's talk about this bizarre coincidence. The object's trajectory lines up almost perfectly with where we detected the famous wow signal back in 1977. We're talking about a 0.6% chance of that being random.
Oh, and don't forget about that mysterious green glow that appeared in September, which shouldn't even be possible given its chemical composition.
You know what's really keeping scientists up at night? In just a few months, this thing is going to pass behind the sun, and we'll lose sight of it completely for 3 weeks.
Like when Comet Ison disappeared behind the sun and just never came back.
Exactly. Though some scientists are suggesting that this perihelion passage might be exactly what this object has been waiting for. If it is artificial, this could be some kind of trigger point.
The timing of everything does seem almost too perfect. The gradual revelations, the increasing strangeness, and now this convenient period where we'll lose sight of it completely.
And here's what's really fascinating. Whether this turns out to be artificial or natural, we're witnessing something unprecedented. This object has traveled through space since before our sun existed, carrying who knows what kinds of secrets, and just happened to cross paths with us at this exact moment.
So I guess we're all just holding our breath until December 2025, when it's supposed to emerge from behind the sun.
Um, yeah, and that's going to be either the most crucial month in human history, or we're all going to feel a bit silly for getting so excited. But either way, it's forcing us to confront just how little we actually understand about our universe. Well, that's all for today. Take care and goodbye.